Question number 1. Which country was very recently devastated by earthquake? C. Haiti. Which of the following is an incorrect generalization about Indian economy? D. It is a closed economy. 3. The financial year in India is from C. 1st April to 31st March. 4. World Economic Forum meets annually at D. Davos. 5. The oldest large-scale industry of India is C. Cotton textile. 6. The words bull and bear are used in the B. Stock Exchange. 7. The first Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to C. J. H. Tennant. 8. The Chipko movement was associated with B. Preventing felling of trees. 9. Pashmina is a breed of C. Goat. 19. What is the capital of Ethiopia? B. Addis Ababa. 20. The function of the ozone layer is A. To filter harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. 21. Which Chinese pilgrim came to India during Harsha's time? B. Huansang. 22. Who founded the slave dynasty in 1206 AD? C. Qutbuddin Aibak. 23. Who is considered to be the father of the idea of Pakistan? C. Muhammad Iqbal. Tiger Woods is associated with D. Golf. Who has written the book India Wins Freedom? A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. 26th. 13 July 1931 is known for D. Indiscriminate firing outside the Central Jail in Srinagar. 27th. Who invented the television? B. J. L. Braid. 28th. When ice just melts, इसका होगा B. There is no change in temperature. 29. Light from the sun reaches the earth in B. 8 minutes. 30. Bats can fly in the dark because C. They produce ultrasonic waves to guide them. 31. When seen through a mirror, a clock shows 8:30. The correct time is B. 3:30. 32. Which of the following words starts with a vowel and has a consonant appearing alternatively with vowels? D. Exonerate. Complete the series 2, 4, 7, 11. इधर पे आएगा एक नंबर और 22. तो 2 के बाद +2 हो रहा है, 4 को +3 हो रहा है, 7 को +4 हो रहा है, तो मतलब हम इधर +5 करेंगे, आएगा 16. C. 16. 34. A fruit seller has certain number of oranges of which 5% are rotten. He sells 93% of the remainder and then has 266 left. How many oranges originally he had? तो यहाँ पे मैंने solution रखा है, आप इसे देख सकते हैं. वैसे अब ऐसे questions नहीं आते हैं. 35. Grass looks green because A. It absorbs all colors of the spectrum except green. 36. Deficiency of iodine causes C. Goiter. 37. A woman is 5 years younger than her husband and 3 times as old as her daughter. If the daughter attains the age of 21 after 6 years, what is the present age of father? तो इसमें आप ऐसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, पहले डॉटर्स एज आपको पता चल जाएगी यहाँ से कि वो 15 इयर्स की है, और वुमेन्स एज आप इधर से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं 3 टाइम्स एज ओल्ड एज हर डॉटर, और फिर आप इधर से फादर की एज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, तो आएगा B 50 years. 38. Two taps A and B fill a tank separately in 24 minutes and 40 minutes respectively, and a water pipe C releases 30 liters per minute. If all the pipes are open, the tank is filled in 1 hour. The capacity of the tank is C 600 liters. 39. Rashid bought an article with 40% discount on the labeled price of rupees 240. At what price should he sell the article to make 25% profit on the labeled price, rupees 500? 40. Like poles of a magnet repel each other. B. 41. Which of the following countries does have an unwritten constitution? इसका आएगा C. UK, United Kingdom. 42. The Indian Parliament is based on the principle of B. Bicameralism. इधर two houses होते हैं of Parliament. 43. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental rights? B. Part 3 of the Constitution. 44. The fundamental rights are enforceable by the C. Courts. 45. Who has been responsible for the introduction of public interest litigation in India? इसका आएगा A. Justice P.N. Bhagwati. 46. A bill becomes law only when it is signed by the President. 47. How many judges are there in the Supreme Court of India, including the Chief Justice? जब का ये पेपर है 2010 का तब 25 होगा इसका आंसर, मगर करेंटली देयर आर 32 जजेस और मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो 34 की है. हु इज द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर हाई कोर्ट? तब का आंसर था जस्टिस बेरीन घोष, मगर करेंटली हैं जस्टिस एन कोटेश्वर सिंह. 49th. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for special status to the state of J&K? D. Article 370. 50. Which writ is issued to release a person from wrongful detention? C. Habeas corpus. 51. Equality before law and equal protection of law is guaranteed by C. Article 14. 52. Fundamental duties were inserted in the Constitution by D. 42nd Amendment. 53rd. President of India is the head of the state and the supreme commander of armed forces. तो इसका आंसर होगा D. 54th. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of the Constitution? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 55th. Where is the seat of International Court of Justice? Hague. 56th. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the General Assembly on A. 10th December 1948. 57th. A written statement by a person who signs and swears by it before a magistrate is called B. Affidavit. 58th. The Sarkaria Commission recommendations relate to A. Center-state relations. 59th. In a parliamentary form of government, the executive is responsible to B. the legislature. 60. Which among the following is not a fundamental right? C. Right to property.